United States Department of Agriculture logo. Taco seasoned stuffed peppers. Recipe for children ages 6 through 18. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 25 minutes to prep, and 35 minutes to cook. Let's get started. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. Turn on the oven and preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The recipe ingredients are shown on a cutting board. Wash 3 bell peppers and dry with a paper towel. On a cutting board, cut each pepper into halves. Remove the stem and seeds. In a medium microwave-safe bowl, combine 1½ cup of instant brown rice and 1½ cup of water. Cover bowl with plastic wrap. Microwave for 6 minutes. Remove the bowl from the microwave and remove plastic wrap. Fluff rice with a fork. Heat a skillet and add 9 ounces of lean ground turkey. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Add the cooked brown rice into the skillet. Stir. Add a cup of green chili enchilada sauce into the skillet. Stir. Add 4 cups of low-sodium canned black beans into the skillet. Stir. Add 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of taco seasoning into the skillet. Stir. Cook for 3 minutes. Remove the skillet from the heat and add 7/8 of a cup of shredded pepper jack cheese. Add 1¼ cup of the ground turkey filling to each quarter pepper. Get out a baking sheet, place a piece of parchment paper on top, and spray with nonstick cooking spray. Place the stuffed peppers onto the baking sheet. Ensure the peppers are evenly spaced on the sheet. Place the baking sheet in a preheated oven. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Check the temperature of the stuffed peppers. The internal temperature should be 140 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Serve 1/2 stuffed pepper. The CACFP crediting for taco-seasoned stuffed peppers for children ages 6 through 18 is as follows. The serving size is a 1/2 stuffed pepper. CACFP crediting for beans as a vegetable is 3/4 cup vegetable, 1½ ounce equivalent meat alternate, and 1 ounce equivalent grains. CACFP crediting for beans as a meat alternate is a 1/2 cup vegetable, 2½ ounces equivalent meat or meat alternate, and 1 ounce equivalent grains. This recipe is whole grain rich. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/team-nutrition-recipes. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device.